Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you very short video. So guys can see I'm cooking my staff stew, spring onion stew for my staff. This is a spring onion. So guys can see how I wash it and cut it in cube. Before you do it, you make sure you wash it very well because the spring onion have a lot of sand. You wash it before cutting it. Then after you wash it, then you slice it like this. There is onion on it again. So you can also use the onion to fry your sauce. Here is fresh tomato and pepper with palm oil and some crayfish inside. So just want to show you guys very short video. My spring onion sauce for my staff. So guys can see the tomato is fried now. I will add stock. This is the stock. Add the stock. Now you boil the meat. Then you boil it. Now add little seasoning. Because inside the stock there is seasoning also. So you add little seasoning. So I'm supposed to add dry fish and other things like sandal, pomo, but unfortunately I don't have it. So I have to manage the one I have for them. So after you pour the stock, you leave it like 2 minutes to boil. After boiling it, you now carry your spring onion and pour it. The sauce is very, very sweet. You can use it for yam, you can use it for rice, you can use it for anything. Even boiled plantain, boiled potato, you can use it for. And see. Then you use the meat that you use inside. Whether chicken, goat meat, cow meat, you use it. The reason why I didn't put the meat, I've already boiled the meat. I didn't add the meat. So after frying the meat now, I'll just add inside. This is spring onion sauce for my staff. Very, very delicious. So it's just a short video. Just advise you guys to try spring onion sauce in your house. You can use it like this and eat yam. Boil potato, boil plantain. You boil yam and eat it, you enjoy it. Even white rice. Can go with anything. So it's a very delicious sauce. So I won't allow the spring onion to oversoak. So I'll up the light. It's set to take it with anything, rice or anything. So that is all for spring onion sauce. Please, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to comment and share it. And don't forget to press that button. Then you'll see all my video. I love you all. See you in my next video. Bye.